My name is Sarjarao Gowde, and today's date is the 26th December 2022. And my today's video's topic is the angular life cycle hooks. So let's see the what is one of my angular life cycle hooks and what kind of and what type of the hooks are there, which the angular is evoked when the certain event is happen. So in this the when the angular application is created, at that time the components it creates the component and rendering the root component. So while this creating this creating and rendering the view rendering the root component, it creates their children and their children. So in the angular, when the angular is loaded the component, at that time when the angular load this component, it's start and immediately they starting the process of the rendering the view. Doing this rendering the view, there should check out the input properties and evaluate the one-way data binding and two-way data binding and their expression. So in this the angular while the doing this, angular is removing the some component from the DOM. So DOM is stand by the document object model. So the reason behind it to doing this because there is an doing this because of the if there is no need if there is no need no longer, the angular is remove this component from the DOM. So in this the angular hooks means we can say that is the call by function. So the angular is evoke them when the certain events when the certain events is happen. So let's see the what kind of the angular hooks are there. So the first one is ng on changes. Next one is ng on LNITs. Next one is ng view LNIT. ng view checked. ng on content LNIT. ng on the content checked, and ng on the destroy. And this is the kind of or this is the type of the we can say that hooks are hooks of angular. So in there is two things are there also is there. The first one is change detection view. So in this the angular, by the angular the change detection view, it is a mechanism of it to synchronize the component templates with the synchronize the templates with the component. And next one is a constructor. So when the constructors begin, at that time it's create the constructor class, and first method is evoked is a constructor class. And that's my point of view about this life cycle of the hooks. Thank you.